Welcome to Okamsozor channel. If you're dealing with a cough, I know how annoying and uncomfortable it can be. Luckily, there are some simple and effective home remedies that can help you find relief. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 10 natural remedies for cough that you can make right at home. So grab a cup of tea and let's dive in. 1. Honey and warm water. Honey is one of the most popular natural remedies for cough, and for good reason. Honey coats your throat and has antibacterial properties that can help soothe irritation. All you need is a teaspoon or 2 of honey mixed into a cup of warm water. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day, and it will ease that scratchy feeling in your throat. For an extra boost, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce throat irritation and calm your cough. Slice about 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger and boil it in water for 10 minutes. Once it's done, strain the tea and sip it slowly. You can add honey or lemon to taste. Not only does it taste great, but it also helps soothe that stubborn cough. D. Saltwater gargle. Now, this is an old-school remedy, but it works. A simple saltwater gargle can reduce inflammation and loosen mucus. Dissolve about half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Gargle for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat this a few times throughout the day. It's quick, easy, and provides relief almost instantly. E. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation can really help open up your airways and loosen mucus. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and inhale the steam. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil for an extra boost. This works very well for those that have a cough and congestion. Do this for about 10 minutes and you'll feel a big difference. Turmeric water. Now here's a favorite for nighttime relief. Turmeric milk. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm water or milk. Drink this before bed to help reduce coughing and get a restful night's sleep. It's soothing, comforting, and perfect for when that cough keeps you up at night. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is another great remedy. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant and can help soothe your throat. You can make a simple peppermint tea by steeping the leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and sip. If you don't have fresh leaves, you can use peppermint tea bags. This is refreshing and will help open up your airways. What? Thyme tea. Did you know that thyme is not only great for cooking, but it's also a wonderful cough remedy? It can help relax the throat muscles and reduce coughing fits. Just steep 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain it and sip slowly. It's a bit earthy, but it really helps calm your throat. Licorice root tea. Licorice root has been used for centuries to soothe sore throats and ease coughing. Steep the root in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes, strain it, and enjoy. Just be cautious if you have high blood pressure, as licorice root can raise it. This tea is naturally sweet and perfect for soothing your throat. C. Hydration. One of the most important things you can do when you have a cough is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps keep your throat moist and reduces the severity of your cough. Water, herbal teas, and even clear broths are great options. Try to avoid sugary drinks or caffeine, as they can dry out your throat. Probiotics. A healthy gut can improve your immune response and help reduce symptoms of cough. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha are full of probiotics. You can also take a probiotic supplement if needed. Supporting your immune system from the inside out is key. Remember, these remedies can help ease your symptoms, but if your cough persists or gets worse, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more natural health. I'll see you in the next video.